This is my NJS Bridgestone. So it's a 53cm NJS frame. So there's nice sparkles all throughout the frame. Some dings because it's a track frame. Nice pencil stack sits there. Yeah, it's a true track frame, some steel. Now we do it out here, bro. Nice lugs and all that. Right, so moving on to the cranks. We have some nice Sugino 75 Grand Midas. We have with some Sugino Sen Genuine, NJS, some gold Sugino parts. 165mm, nice and stiff. Got some well-go pedals here, and some face straps because this is my daily bike. And I believe that is the NJS Sugino 75 BB. So for my chain, we have a HKK Vertex Silver. Nice, smooth, stiff, all that good things, you know. And for my cob, we have a Suntour 16 teeth with a Dura Ace cob, lock ring. Now moving on to my saddle. My saddle is a Sella San Marco saddle. Nice, comfy. And for my seat post, it's actually a Shimano Duo 27mm. So it was quite hard to find. So for my stem, there's a classic Nitto 110mm stem with some, it's just some cheap riser bars, 660mm if I'm not wrong. Got a nice bell here. And we have some fabric grips. Then for my brakes, because of some brake rules we have over here, I have a clamp-on brake set. So Diachrome BRS 101. Some sheet lever that I got. Yeah, it just works. And for my wheels, we have the classic Araya Gold NJS wheels, laced to the classic Dura Ace hubs. And these are wrapped in some Vittoria Rally tires. So all in all, this is a very nice bike to ride. It's my daily bike. But I'm planning to move into something like an aluminium frame. But this does the trick for now. Thank you for watching my video.